Welcome back, boys and girls. As we discussed in the lesson, we are still talking about subtraction. Subtraction is when you have a total and you take away a few, and it gives you a new total. Let's look at our little pictures here. I have 6 little rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what happened in the next picture. 6 little rabbits sitting by my door, but 2 hopped away, and then there were 1, 2, 3, 4. So to look at the equation, my total that I started with was 6. Take away 1, 2. And how many were left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 were left. Let's look at our next picture of our little frogs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little frogs. 5 little frogs sitting in the sun, but 4 hopped away, and then there was 1. So I started out with 5 little frogs. Take away 4. How many were left? Just 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's look at our next page. I covered up some of the pictures so you can't see what's happening. I have how many little snakes here? 1, 2, 3, 4 little snakes. But what happened in the next picture? 3 of them slithered away. How many is left? Just 1. So my equation would show 4 snakes to start. Take away 3. How many is left? Just 1. What might happen with the little birds here? Oh, I bet you can see through my sticky note. I had 3 little birds sitting on a branch. How many took off? 2 of them flew away. How many is left? Just 1. So again, my equation, I'm going to start with my total. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take away 1, 2. How many is left? Just 1. And finally, I have 2 little ducks sitting in the pond. What happens in our next picture? They both walked away. So if I started with 2 ducks and I take away 2 ducks, how many is left? Absolutely 0. 2 take away 2 equals 0. We have one more page. And when we read the instructions at the top, it says cross out what the animal eats, and write the numbers. So here we have a little mouse, and he eats 1 piece of cheese. So I'm going to cross out 1 piece of cheese. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a little tiger cat here who eats 4 fish. How many did we start out with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that little cat was so hungry, he ate 4 of the fish. How many is left? 1, 2. Come to our next picture. Have a little rabbit who eats 3 carrots. Man, he really was hungry. 1, 2, 3 carrots have been eaten. How many is left? Just 1. And then finally we have a little squirrel, or maybe a chipmunk, and he eats 3 of the acorn nuts. We started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but he ate 3 of them. How many acorn nuts were left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can go back and you can write the equation. We started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of cheese. He ate 1 and left us with 4. 5 take away 1 equals 4. The little cat started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish. He ate how many? 4 of them. How many were left? Just 2. Little rabbit started out with 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. How many did he eat? Just 1. So 4 take away 1 means we have, 3. My mistake. He ate 3 of the carrots. How many did we have left? Just 1. And finally, our little chipmunk friend started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 acorn nuts. How many did he eat? He ate 3. We're going to take 3 acorn nuts away from 7, and that leaves us with 4. That is our lesson for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.